Let me guess. You have a mission to save the world. You just can't do it without me.
No, man. I was just checking in on you, seeing how my good friend is doing. And I really wanted to hear this.
Police! Come out with your hands up! We know you're in there, you Janus!
You bastard.
I warned you, you bald-headed sumbitch. When you least expect it, expect it.
You have no idea what you've just started.
Oh, I'm pretty sure it involves rubber gloves and a body cavity search.
No chance.
Police! Get on the ground, you Janus!
This ain't gonna go down how you boys expect. I'll be seeing you, Hobbs.
Looking forward to it, Shaw.